dot mandala art. Things required: cutout pieces, magnet, paint, birds, toothpicks, brush, and glue.
Using toothpick and buds, let us fill in the shapes with dot mandala design. Now use yellow color as an outline. Now fill out the rest of the shape with black color. Very good, Bala. Very good, Vishwa.
Let this dry for some time.
Now continue the dot in the borders. Perfect. Continue smaller dots. Bala, do it light, slowly. Very good. Good try. Very neat. Now apply glue and stick the magnet behind the board. Now the magnet is ready to be placed in the fridge. Thank you.